Hey up everyone, I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to set up a new website for your blog or any other website that you'd like to do in the Six Figure Mentor system. What we need to do is go to the Digital Business Lounge, and you can see in here we've got lots and lots of things we can do technically, but what I want to do is set up a subdomain. Now if you don't understand domains, I have a video in my YouTube channel about domains. Have a watch of that. It's for a different system, but the rules are still the same. It's for something called the Power Lead system and not SFM. Click on domains. What I want to do is create a subdomain. Now I have a number of domains. Learning a New Lifestyle is for my generated links when I want to just put links into emails and things, so I don't use that. But I've got this other domain, the SOCMB. It stands for the Society of Match Betters, which I don't use anymore. So it does for testing. I just use it for testing now. So we'll add a subdomain to this test domain. So create a subdomain, and I want to call it training.learninganewlifestyle.thesocmb.com.co.uk. Okay, create the subdomain. You can see it's created the subdomain here, training.thesocmb.co.uk. Okay, so now what I want to do is install WordPress into that domain. So if I go installers, install WordPress, pick the domain, training. You don't need to put anything in there. It says leave empty. Just put in an easy password because I'm going to delete it anyway. Okay, and then we say install WordPress. This here is actually my password manager called Sticky Password, which is trying to save my details. I cancelled it because I'm not interested in saving that password. Saves you a lot of time and effort, Sticky Password. I've got 50% off on that as an aside. If you want to click on my link to Sticky Password, you'll save yourself 50% if you decide to buy it. It's actually completely free. You only need to pay for it if you want to duplicate your passwords across different devices. Synchronize, that's the better word, synchronize. This takes a minute or two because remember it's installing a whole website basically. Now we can see that it's done it, so let's just see if it's worked. You can see we've got our website here, and have we got the admin so we can change things in the back end if we need to. Okay, so this is a WordPress backend. It's just installed WordPress for us. The WordPress, but if you use any WordPress website anywhere, this is what it looks like. Even if you use the free one at wordpress.org, it looks like this. It's exactly the same. Now what I want to do, I'm just going to shut this down a second, is I want to give it a nice theme. So if I just click on WordPress themes and give it a theme, which one do you think? I'm going to go with, for today, I think I'm going to go with this one. Fable is it called? Choose theme, add it to an existing site. I want to put it into training.thesocmb.co.uk, add the theme. Theme is installed. So what I need to do now is go into the admin panel, and I think it's themes. We need to activate that Fable theme, which is this one. See there, Fable. Activate it. So now if we go to training, I'm going to do it in a incognito window so it doesn't remember my password. Training.thesocmb.co.uk. And you can see there's our new WordPress site done. How long did that take me? 5 minutes. It's done. So in here now, I mean, obviously you need to spend time now putting the pictures in that you want. Fable theme options. Change your logo, change your pictures, change what you want it to look like. That's all up to you. There's some training on WordPress in the main Six Figure Mentors training in here, digital skills platform, which I'll show you in a different video. So that's the website done. So let's just say we wanted to put a post in here just to prove it. It's already got a hello world post. I'm going to add a new post. This is a new this is my first post. In here I will put a link to my amazing training. Okay, and then I could put in here match betting, and I can put a link in here. www.thesocietyofmatchedbettors.co.uk, which is my website. Publish that. And this is just for demo. I mean, obviously you're going to spend more time when you do it in real life, but this is just how quickly you can do it if you want to. Okay, that post should be there now. So if I go to training dot and here's my post. This is my first post. Here I'll put a link. No, it's not. It's not done the link, but that's the problem with the theme. Oh no, that's the title. Oh, that's all right. Just the way this theme works is on the home page you only get the title. Well, the first line of the, looks like the first line, maybe the first couple of lines of the article, and then you click this to go to the article. That's the way the theme works. If you don't like that, you change the theme. And then if I click on match betting here, and it goes to, oh, I've done it wrong. I don't even know my own website. Yeah, there you go. It's a .com, not a .co.uk. I don't even know my own website. Never mind. So, I mean, you can edit that. I mean, if we just click on this and then click on the link and edit it and change it to .com. It's a bit much when you don't know your own website, isn't it? And update it, and then I'll do it. The reason for using incognito windows is it doesn't remember your password, so it's as if a stranger, anybody out there in the world, is using your website, right? Because if you go to your website yourself with WordPress, it automatically logs you in as an administrator. What was it? Training. .thesocmb.co.uk. Okay, now if I go in here now, hopefully this is updated. There you go. So, I mean, that was just a quick example. I just wanted to show you how, you know, the Six Figure Mentors works. You know, there's two sections to it. There's this digital business lounge where you run your websites and your stores and your themes. I'm going to go over something called simply capturing another video, and you can create your own. You know, you've got all the infrastructure you need to run your own business. You don't need anything else that's on here. I happen to have my own email list in a tool called Aweber because I prefer Aweber, and you will need an external tool if you want to promote your own products rather than SFM products. But if you're just selling SFM products, if you're going to be an affiliate for SFM, which means you need to be positioning down here somewhere, Platinum or Black, which I don't own. I can't click on any of it. Well, I can click, but they don't do anything because I'm not positioned. These are just about getting better affiliate payments when you sell, rather than actually using it for training or for the technical side. But in here, you see autoresponders. You've got if you're selling their products, you've got autoresponders as well. If you're selling your own products like me, the Sighted Match Betters, you need an Aweber or something like that. So that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my Facebook page if you can, or contact me if you've got any questions. If there's anything you want to see, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, doke. Cheers.